What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Jordan. Y'all already know what's going on. Peekaboo. Look. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Another short horror film, man, on a train. It's only 4 minutes. I'm not going to take up too much of y'all time. I know y'all still getting to know me a little bit, but let's get to it. Like, comment, subscribe. Send me stuff y'all want me to react to on Instagram or the community tab page, or just drop it in the comment section. yrn.jjj on Instagram. Let's go.
I know, but I was in this like stupid thing of being like scared of him just not wanting to shoot me. Like obviously I needed people who know I'm having a job forever. Like it's just ridiculous.
Yeah, but then okay. So how long did it take?
What? I just need to like go through it because I honestly it was like all a bit of a blur actually. So it was like in front of the camera and everything's fine, right? Like we're shooting and like he's like being really positive. It was getting a bit weird, some of the positions, but I was like, whatever. And he was like,
positions?
And I was like, okay, yeah, I'll walk around the back of the, So yeah, then he wanted me to look at the pictures. So I went round to his side of the camera and it was so weird. Like he just so slowly put his hand around my back.
Why didn't you call me?
Well, obviously I wasn't
Yeah,
going to
like
call
I
him. Like, I couldn't stop. This is the problem.
training
This is what I'm having in my head.
Yeah,
I can't move.
I was
It's
falling around like for the
I
whole
should
week.
have obviously done something. I should have stopped.
So like,
it.
park that there for a second,
I
okay?
needed
Cut forward 2 months later.
The shoot. Like,
Do you remember that girl,
so long
Jade,
for that.
whose number I was trying to get off?
Am I wrong? No, it wasn't wrong. Like I obviously.
Yeah.
Of course you're not wrong.
Yeah, before we got to Australia, he gave it me. Right, so I sent her a message. Grand.
I just feel
We'll
like
go for a few
silly.
drinks,
I feel
right?
silly,
Now,
that's
we're
all I
having
feel
drinks. She's
like.
asking me, like, where do you work? I say, I work at Casey's. And she says, no way. I was chatting to a guy, like, 2 weeks ago who said he worked for Casey's. I was like, okay, interesting. Yes, I worked.
It's about to be some bullshit. I just know it. I just know it. Alright, this is where all the bullshit comes in. Alright, cool. Nope. Nope. Nah, I'm fucking with it. Nope. Nah. I'm my chest. Stop looking. Hell nah. Don't look. Don't look, Shirley. Don't look. It's gonna be some bullshit. He gonna be up top. I just know it. What the fuck is that? Bro, what is that? I can't do it, bro. My chest, bro. My chest, and then we at the end. Just go to sleep, try to play dead. That was it. That was actually kind of good. I'm not gonna lie. It's just the sounds they get to you, bro. But look, man, like, comment, subscribe, send me stuff y'all want me to react to on Instagram, yrn.jjj, or check the community tab on my channel, or just drop the link in the comment section. Deuces.
From a young nigga to a grown man, ball in my hands, I control it. Fuck all them other guys, he ain't one of mine. Get in my way, I run them over.